Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Shariful Muiz. I am from Kediri City. Now I study in University of Jember. I am in science education. Okay. After that, I will explain about the material of semester. Okay, now I am explain about the submaterial of semester is identification, chemical tools and material. Laboratory is place of people who carry out various kinds of research activities, observation, training, and scientific testing approach between theory and practice various knowledge. The function of laboratory is 1. Provide completeness for lesson which already give, so that when theory and practice are not two separate things. 2. Provide scientific work skill for students. 3. Cultivate courage to searching scientific truth from something like object in natural environment, social environment, and others. Okay. Next is tools and material. Tools and material. Chemical tools consist 4 of kinds. Their kinds is measuring tools, next is heater tools, then glass tool, then hell tool. Okay, for 1 is measuring tool. Measuring tool is tool used to measure volume, mass, pH solution, and others. The example of measuring tool is analytic digital, measuring pipette, and aluminum. Heater tool. Heater tool is tool used to heat material or chemistry solution before doing observation. The example of heater tool is hot plate, Bunsen, and oven. Next is glass tool. Glass tool is this tool made from glass used to scientific experiment. Okay, for the example of glass tool is test tube, funnel, and watch glass. Next is help tool. Help tool is tool for completeness the main tools. Okay, for the example is there is copula, there is stative, there is rubber bulb. Next step is material. Material is everything that is processed or used on testing process or production on a limited scale. 2. Division of laboratory materials is 1 is specific material, 2 is general materials. Specific material like material which needs specific treatment. So from it we can conclude that all chemical material is specific materials. Next is general material. General material is different from specific, so the definition of general material is material which don't need specific treatment. So from this, instead substance and chemical material we as user as laboratory we used to reduce accident risks. Each of chemical material have physical and chemistry nature which many different, so that storing and setting must according to principle. The principle of it is 1. Safe. Safe is in order to save from the thief. 2. Easy to search. Easy to search easy to find the location of the material by giving a mark to the name using a label. Next is easy to take. so easy to take, like storage of materials, need storage space and equipment. Next is the calibration of hazardous chemicals and hazard symbol. There is one, two, three, four, five. There is six hazardous chemical and hazard symbol. One is toxic. Toxic is the substance can cause death or serious pain when it enters to the body through respiration, digestion, or skin. Next is corrosive. This substance can damage living tissue, in body, cause skin irritation and itching. Next is explosive. Explosive, this material is explosive in the presence of heat. Like the effect of explosive, like sparks, shock, or friction. Next is oxidizing. Oxidizing, this material can cause a fire. This material generates heat when it contact with organic material and reducing materials. Next is flammable. Flammable, this material has a low flash point and substance that react with water to produce flammable gas. Harmful. This substance cause burn to skin muscles, and respiratory problems. Okay, that's all for my presentation today, and thank you so much for your attention. I am grateful for everyone here to listen my project. I hope that you can find something useful from my explanation. Thank you very much for your attention, and I highly appreciate any feedback or criticism you've given to me today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.